Saturday afternoon at the Kaplan compound. What's happening, America? Come on in, take a ride down to the party with me. It's Amber's graduation party. Gonna get to meet the family, friends, and a little tour of the compound. If you've been following us, you know we've been working on the compound all summer since we got shut down by the COVID stuff with the museum. So, been working on the stone walls. Completely restacked all the stone walls out front here. Done a whole bunch of landscaping. And it came out really nice. Bring you in and show you around. Specifically, we got the pond totally dialed in. A lot of work. This is the entryway here. This took me a long time to build. I don't know if the video does it justice, but there's more concrete in this entryway than the foundation of the house. We've got over 6,400 foot of stone wall, over a mile of stone wall. It took me about 10 years to build it. It was all rubble wall when we got here. We put stairs in the wall. You might have seen the videos. We've been rebuilding this wall. This one here is 900 foot long, and we'll take a ride in back to the party. That's our little orchard right there. We got apples, peaches, and pears there, and blueberry bushes out in the back. So somewhat of a little farm going on. These are the lions. The driveways, interlocking concrete pavers, 30,000 square foot, just under an acre of them. That took me better part of a year to do this, nights and weekends. I planted all these trees on the side over here too. It's been a lot of work, and I built it to share with friends and family. We have a lot of events here. We had the ATC rally here. We had the 2 500 shootouts, and have a little party, graduation party today. There's a diesel dually. This is a Featherlight Harley Davidson camper. This is the garden Christy and I worked on. We did a couple of videos on that. Finally got that done. We got a basketball court over here that we did. I don't know if you can see the basketball court in the pavers. There's the throw line. There's the basketball court. The driveway's pretty big. It's like 18,000 square foot around the house. Everybody's partying. What's up, Squab? My daughters are over here today, Taylor and Jordan. That's the light, the solar sun tracker. Stone wall's pretty massive down on this end. Let's go meet everybody. Now that you've seen the entryway, the pond came out freaking amazing. We just had the new fountain put in yesterday. The fountain came out really good. There's a lighted fountain too. Of course, it's red, white, and blue lights. We got the beach put in. We painted the lifeguard chairs. Put the sand beach in. Sorry for the shaky camera work. It's hard to film and ride. But I've got the solar powered lights. That's a spillway. There's a bridge over the spillway. Hand-built stone bridge. I built that myself. I wouldn't let anybody help me build it. I wanted to do it myself. We just redid the, these are trees I cut down and milled up here on site. I don't know if you can tell in the video. They're literally almost 4 inches thick and about 18 feet long, going over to the lifeguard towers with the umbrellas. Here's the other lifeguard tower. We just refinished that yesterday morning. Look at the stairs down into the pond. And there's a picnic table we bought last year. I just refinished that too. Danish oiled that. We literally put this beach in this morning. Triaxle load of sand. Me and Squirrel leveled it out with the Bobcat. And there's another stone table over there. A lot of work here this year. We just reseeded. Last week we showed you the video of us putting all the topsoil over there by the sun tracker solar unit. These are the stairs down into the pond. Just love the way the fountain came out. We have another lifeguard tower over there on the other side. These are the 2 diving boards. Unfortunately, the kids broke those, and I haven't got the new ones in yet. Haven't even ordered them yet. It's like almost $4,000 for 2 for 2 Olympic diving boards. So we won't be doing that right away. But there's a rundown of the pond. The water is actually we drained it 4 feet to rebuild some of the masonry work and redo it. Chrissy's got the floats. Hi, honey.
Hi, baby.
And we're about to go swimming in the pond with everybody. My daughters are going to come down and swim with us.
Hi.
How's the water?
Awesome. Got a cup holder.
So this place is a dream that I built. I bought the 50 acres. It was pretty much abandoned farmland. Where I'm standing here was just wetlands and overgrown and trees. We had to actually use a chainsaw to cut to get into the woods. It was so overgrown. It took a long time to do this and build the walls and the driveway and the house. I built the house mostly out of trees we cut down here. They call it legacy lumber. We cut all post and beam. This is where the natural train track is out here. It's actually 3/4 of a mile. Like I said, we haven't been racing since all the injuries. I broke my back in 2015. Kenny got injured in 2016, and so the track's all overgrown. But this is where it used to be back here, the natural train track. We're going to restore it and ride it later this year, but for now it's just mowable. There's a little stone bridge by the drainage ponds that come out of the big pond. There's another little bridge I built out of stone spillway. Don't be scared. What's up, squirrel?
This is all about all our dedication and for the hard work that someone put in to earn a degree. And this
That's
is
right.
what comes out of it.
Amber busted her ass for.
To let her know how much we all appreciate her doing that for herself.
Let's go talk to the woman of the hour. Where is she? Hi, Amber.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How many years did it take you to get your degree?
3 years. I've been in school for 7.
Where is it? Where is it? Can we see it? We're so proud of you. I get a little choked up when I look at these things. I know how much hard work it was, and we're so proud of you. Jerry, we have a doctor in the family. Doctor in the house. And she's the kind of doctor to get you out of jail if you do something stupid. Which might come in handy.
Might come in handy, yeah.
My alter ego, Kaplan America, is known to get a little wild. So, awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How's it feel?
It feels good. It feels good to be done, but it's scary.
So what's your next step? What are you going to do now?
Well, I'm moving to Alabama, and I'm going to try and find a job there and hopefully be a lawyer and help people. That's all I want to do.
That's awesome.
So, yeah.
Where'd you get the flowers?
Mom got the flowers from Big Y. And
mom's
then
the best.
a few are gifts from other people.
That's
Are
awesome.
gifts.
From the Western New England University School of Law. In recognition of the completion of the prescribed course of study for the Board of Trustees of Western New England University. Juris Doctor. Very cool. Huge honor. Oh, very welcoming. Yeah, we have fair warning here. This is Saline, baby. Ice, baby. 87 Saline. It's a real deal. I've had it since 1990. Got a nice spread, food. Everybody's having fun.
It's a beautiful afternoon.
It is.
Very beautiful afternoon. And
That's why I built the place, for people to have fun.
What's happening? What?
So it's my turn to jump in now. I'm jumping in, folks. Woohoo!
I've been waiting for you.
This is the life.
Someone's shooting back there. Huh? Someone's shooting back there.
Who?
I don't know, but you can hear it. It's been going on for a little bit.
Sorry if that part was boring, but just wanted to share this part of our life with you guys. And if my phone shuts off before I get to shoot more video, God bless America.